In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Windows 11. So as you can see in the bottom right hand corner, I've got the activate Windows message. If you have this as well, I'll show you how you can activate your Windows 11 right now. So first, what you need to do is check what version of Windows you're currently running. So if you go to your start menu and then you go to settings, you'll then be on the home section. You need to go ahead and scroll down or go to system. And then once you're on system, you can scroll down to the bottom and here you'll see the about section. Click on that. And then if you scroll down once more, you'll see your Windows specifications. And as you can see, I'm on Windows 11 Home. So with that in mind, what we can do is we can go back home. And here you'll see you need to activate Windows. So go ahead and click activate now. What that will do is take you to this window where you can then go ahead and enter in a product key. So I'm going to click change product key and we'll click change. From here, what we can do is enter in a product key. Now you can go ahead and buy these online. I would buy them from a reputable reseller. So you can go to the link in the description below. It's going to take you to G2A. There are going to be two links, one for Windows 11 Home, which is the version I have, or you may have Windows 11 Pro, and you can go ahead and click on whichever one you need. So we're going to go ahead and buy Windows 11 Home. So as you can see, here is the price, $24. You can go ahead and click add to cart, then go to cart, and then continue to payment. Don't add on anything else. Just click continue to payment. Now you can go ahead and pay with Visa or any of these other payment processors, including crypto and Bitcoin. So go ahead and add your details and pay with those details. Once you've done that, you'll then be taken to this window, and here you can then click show order. That will then take you to this window where you can then click on display item. Here you've now got your product key to Windows, which you can go ahead and copy. Once you've copied, you can then minimize this window and head back into this window here on Windows 11 in the system settings. And here you can just paste in this product key. Then click on next and then click activate. After that has been activated, you will get this notification, Windows is activated. And there you go, you've now activated your version of Windows. You can now customize it and you'll no longer have the message in the bottom right hand corner.